Hey everyone, welcome back. Yeah, we're going to be doing a video today, an update video on the El Camino. Yeah. Yeah, we got a call from Dave over there at Dave's Collision in Unionville, and he got the car in the shop a while ago. He got a lot of body work done on it. I mean, he's moving right along on it. He called me up and he needs some parts delivered so they can get the roof cut off and mocked up and the new windshield put in it. And he also needs my chrome. So I've been getting all the chrome ready, the windshield chrome. Them are the side pieces for the windshield chrome. This is all box chrome here. But here's the top piece for the windshield chrome. And also he needs the back window chrome, which we got up there all ready to go. So yeah, we're gonna take all this stuff over to him so he can get everything all mocked up and ready to go, get the roof on it and get the car in primer. So that's what the video is gonna be today. But we also, he wanted me to pick up the windshield that I had discount glass purchased for me 2 years ago. He was the one that was going to be doing the body work, you know, fixing the roof on the car and putting the new windshield in it and stuff like that. Well, I had to wait for him to get the windshield in, which he did get in, and had to wait for an opening in his body shop. Well, last year, you guys remember, I told you that we took the car to the body shop and he started poking holes in the roof and said the roof was too far gone, and then sent the car back home with me. And it pissed me off because I was still living at the trailer. I didn't have the car in the storage unit at the time. So I told him, I said, you're gonna punch 50 holes in my roof and then send it home. So that's when I said to hell with it. I was just gonna have Dave do it. So needless to say, I went there yesterday morning to pick our windshield up and he can't find it. He said he don't know if it's got broke and thrown out or what happened. And the kicker too, guys, he wouldn't even replace me my money because Dave, he can get me a windshield. You know, he's a collision shop. He's got good connections too. So Dave says, well, you know, I can get you the windshield. So I asked Brian, which is a good friend of Tony's at the tranny shop. I says, well, okay, you know, I'm opting to have somebody else put it in. So you keep the labor that I already paid you, but pay me for the windshield that you lost or broke or whatever happened. And he wouldn't do it. So this is to you, Discount Glass. Brian, you're a piece of shit. But anyways, guys, I'm just going to do a quick video today on the update on the El Camino. We're going to take these parts over to him so he can get the roof mocked up. He called his windshield guy, and he's got a windshield coming. So, you know, it's just, that's bad business. You know, I can understand that I'm not having him put the windshield in. So I already paid for the windshield and the labor 2 years ago, but he's the one that's been dragging his feet on the body work on the car. And then after he did that poking holes in the roof, you know, I was like, you know what, I'm not doing it. So, you know, me and Dave hooked us up on doing it, and I'm glad he did because, you know, Dave, I know it's going to be done right this time. And, you know, I can't thank Dave enough. And Dave, when you watch this, man, you don't know how much it means to us, me and the wife, of helping us get this car straightened out finally after 3 people's stuck it to me good. But I really appreciate it, brother. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna load the windshield chrome up, and we also got a couple fiberglass bumpers for Ken that he wants to drop off that Dave's gonna look at, and Ken's gonna have some paint work done on his bumpers too. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna load this stuff up in the truck, and we're gonna head There it is, guys. Well, I'm gonna go get with Dave, guys, and we'll give you a walk around the car here in a minute. Hang with us. Here we are at Dave's shop, guys. All the doors are realigned. They realigned all the gaps. Alright guys, yeah, I just showed you a quick walk around to the El Camino there. It's Dave's got it looking good. They put a new rocker on the passenger side, new bottom of the driver's fender, new lower quarter on the passenger side, redid all the body lines, fixed all the body work that the last 3 people that I let touch the car, which is my own fault, and they messed that car up. He's like, wow, on some of the work. There was spray foam shot in the rockers and the bottom of the quarters. I mean, they said they had an unbelievable pile of spray foam after they got it off. So we just dropped off Ken's bumpers and came and do a quick update with them. And we can't thank Dave enough here over at Dave's Collision in Unionville. Excellent guy. We really appreciate all the work that he does, and he's going above and beyond what we expected him to do on this El Camino. And I can't thank him enough, and he knows if he ever needs anything, don't hesitate to ask. But yeah, guys, a couple more weeks maybe, he's thinking, and the missus will have her car back. We're going to be detaming it and putting a cruising cam in it and cruising it around and letting the wife drive it around. It's going to be her car. So it already is her car, but she wants to be able to drive it around. She wants to drive it to work, but I don't know, after it gets all painted and pretty, I don't know if I want to have her drive it and park it in the parking lot and get new door dings put in it. So it might be just a weekend cruiser. But once again, big shout out to Dave's Collision over here in Unionville. Awesome people, man. Thanks, Dave, when you watch us. Can't thank you enough, brother. Well, there you go, guys. There's your update video on the El Camino. It's looking great. And like always, guys, I appreciate everybody for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye-bye.